Joshua too. Mommy and Daddy and Joshua. Mommy and Joshua and Daddy too. Right is true. And the doo-doo-doo. We got that donkey you run. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's your name?
Mommy!
What's your name?
Daddy.
What's my name?
Joshua.
Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy. Joshua too. Waggle the donkey fast. Do do.
Hey,
Waggle. Who hopped the baby duck?
you know any more songs?
Nope, I'm gonna tell you the Bible first.
Okay, tell me your Bible verse.
The doors stuck for the zoo. Why say the Winnie the Pooh was trapped in the net and he was a sea.
What's your Bible verse?
We're gonna sing now. I will shout! Jesus. What's your name?
Mommy!
What's your name?
Daddy.
Daddy. What's my name?
Joshua.
Ray. What's his name?
Mater!
What's his name?
Lightning McQueen!
Do. What's their name?
I don't
Their
know,
name.
you're gonna break your microphone.
One.
Can you tell me your Bible verse again?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
After we're done singing.
Oh, okay.
Da da da, do do do. Why don't say the salsa do? Why don't they say? What's your name?
Mommy!
Abby.
Daddy.
Mine. What's my name?
Joshua!
Okay. What's your name? Daddy, Mommy, me. Do. Do. That was fun, singer.
That was.
Then I'm going to tell you the Bible first.
Okay. I'm ready.
We're going to give her Jesus. Okay?
Okay.
And then turn it on.
Hey,
Okay, it's on.
that's good.
It's on, Joshua.
After it's on, okay?
Yeah, it is on.
And I have to put my sunglasses on. Don't make them roll.
You got a lot of stuff going on there.
You ready?
Ready?
4, 1, 2. Your name